With a smile, please. Ay, wait lang. Kala ko yung French lang, bad customer service. Grabe. Bakit bad customer service?
May bagong business nga ang mag-couple na Nadine Lustre at Christoph Borio. Successful nga ang kanilang launching event, kung saan nga gumawa sila ng sarili nilang milk brand. Gawa nga ito sa coconut milk. Bagay na bagay nga ito sa mga vegan. Parehas nga si Nadine at kanyang boyfriend ay vegan living.
Again, I just want to thank everyone after everything that has happened throughout the day. Thank you all for staying, and I hope you all enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now I'm introducing.
Nagpasalamat nga si Nadine sa mga sumuporta sa kanilang business. Nandito at pumunta rin ang kaibigan na si Sara Labati at anak niyang si Zion.
Again. Yes, for me, sir. Thank you. Merci.
With a smile, please. Ay, wait lang.
Magkakasundo. Couple pa lang sila pero serious pagdating sa mga business. Ito nga ang kanilang pinagkakaabalahang dalawa.
There's a specific barista in here. It's French. So, let's hope that it maintains the good quality.
Never make my coffee right, bro.
Huh? If we're paying you a foreigner's fee, it better taste better. Okay?
Real good. Real good.